Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through setting up B7 Tunnel VPN on your Android device, which can help improve your privacy and enhance your online security. Let's get started. 1. Open Google Play Store. Find and open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. 2. Search for B7 Tunnel VPN. Use the search bar at the top and type B7 Tunnel VPN. 3. Install the app. Tap the Install button to download and install the application. 4. Open the app. Once the installation is complete, find the B7 Tunnel VPN icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap it to open the application. 5. Access the menu. Within the application, look for the 4 dots, often arranged in a square, that represent the menu. Tap them to open the menu options. 6. Tap Check Updates. From the menu, select Check Updates to ensure you have the latest server list and application configurations. 7. Select a server. Now, select a server. You can choose Auto for the application to automatically select the best server, or select a server manually. 8. Select Country Network. Tap the Country Network option. Then choose All Network UDP or select your specific country from the list. 10. Tap Start/Connect. Tap the Start or Connect button to initiate the VPN connection process. That's it. You've successfully set up B7 Tunnel VPN. Once connected, you can now browse the internet with a more private and secure connection, which can be helpful for accessing content securely, especially on public Wi-Fi. Remember to use VPNs responsibly and according to local laws. Hey, before you go, if you found this tutorial helpful, smash that subscribe button. We've got tons more tips and tricks to help you stay safe online. Thanks for watching.